So that my order, my order. It's already arrived, my order, guys. Yeah, I already have battery pack. Because it's always blackout here in Mindanao, Philippines, and I need a battery pack. My battery pack that I bought in Manila, this one, it's already not working. 2 years but not working. So this 20,000 ampere, and this is nice because it's built in, but it's not working anymore, guys. So this one from Father of Donny. So this is my present. We will open, guys. Ayan, we will unbox my power bank first. Ta-da! Thank you so much, man. Oh no, it's 20,000 ampere. Ayan, 20,000 ampere ultralight capacity portable charger. So this is very sure here because I got a problem last Sunday, whole day blackout here in Dipolog City. So I need a power bank. So that's what I order.